Hi everyone, welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration for 2021. This is a continuation of a collab I hosted last year called Having Fun Making Jewelry. That one was on my Houck's Crafty Cottage channel. I'll link it down below. Actually, there will be a playlist I'll link at the very end that you can go check out all my creations if you'd like, and then go over and see what all the other collab participants last year made. Here is what my chart looks like, and for January we have our color, which is mandatory, of red, pink, or purple, and then the optional challenges, so the participants can do these or not, but they have to use either red, pink, or purple for January, or all three if they want to. Optional challenge 1 is make a necklace, and optional challenge 2 is love themed, heart charms, lamp work, glass hearts, or whatever, anything love themed. So let me show you what I used, some of anyway. I have these glass pearls, which I got from Oriental Trading a long time ago, probably 2012. Yeah, they're in a glass jar, but they've been on my shelf for a while. They're actually low. This jar was like almost full, and almost all the purple ones are gone because I did purple this month. I was going to do purple, pink, and red. I did a little bit of pink too, but not too much. So the next thing I used is one whole pack of these, which look like this. I did not finish. I didn't open the second pack, and I don't know where I got them, but I got them in 2012. Might have been Joann's actually, because they used to sell them, and I don't have them labeled anything like Fire Mountain or whatever, because Fire Mountain was selling them too. But I did use up one whole strand. I used some of this enameled chain in purple, which I've had from jewelrymaker.com, and I don't remember exactly when. I don't know that they sell this anymore. The item code was LBPO18. This is the UK televised jewelry company. They have a website, they spell it like jewelrymaker.com. And I used one set of these meanings by Cousin, and I also don't know where I got them. I might have gotten them directly from Cousin. I don't know, but they had hearts in them. They were like a circle. They're like a circle with hearts. I used this pack of Toggle Class. It was a 2-pack heart with a key, 19 by 12. I got from Fire Mountain some time ago, and here's the item code, and I'll show you them as we get there. I used a couple of these, a few of these. These are just light pink glass from Beadbox Bargains, GLS 349, Frosted Light Rose. I got them in October of last year. I got these 12mm corrugated loop purple hematite is what they're called, from Hobby Lobby, and I don't think that was, well, it might have been a while ago too. I don't know if they even sell this brand anymore. Traditions, Natural Gallery. I haven't been to Hobby Lobby for a little while, in the jewelry row especially, but that is what they look like. They're actually bead jackets. They have a hole that goes through the sides. Originally when I was going to use them, I was going to put them like spacer beads, and then I saw they had a hole, so I switched my design up a little bit and made it work with them. And I also have these. These are purple hematite, purple halite puffy hearts, and they came in a pack of 30. These are also from jewelrymaker.com. I had 2 little containers of them, but I used most of one and put a couple of them back in this one. And I also have used, I didn't use the little ones, these. I have some of I have all my gemstone hearts in these little Elizabeth Ward things. These are silver hematite 7mm coated from jewelrymaker.com also. And I use these only in a dangle on the necklace that I made. And then let's see, I did use some soft flex. Where do they tell you the color? It's purple amethyst, maybe? I think I had gotten this in a pack from JTV years ago. They had like triple packs. I know Soft Flex directly sells what they call trios now, so but I believe this is their amethyst color, and it's really pretty purple. Okay, 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Also, for the bracelet that I made a necklace, a bracelet, and 4 pair of earrings. I did use this Jessie James Beads Sugar Plum Fairy mini bead mix. Actually, I used some of this, I think, on the necklace too, just a couple pieces, but more on the bracelet. And this one was called Sugar Plum Fairy. I got it in 2018. I don't think it's any longer available. I also used AccuFlex 49 strand. It's called Blush Pink. It's sort of a lavender. It looked more purple to me than pink, but I guess blush pink would be a good description. Let me put that light up a little bit. Yeah, that's about the color. A little purpler maybe. That looks a little washed out. It's a little bit darker than that. And then I had this purple check glass bead mix. I used a few of these also. And these are from EE Beads, which is long out of business. And I also had a heart connector, one piece. It was $1.99. I don't know when I got it, and I don't know where I got it. I think I got it directly from Cousin. It used to be called Prima Bead, but I think they're just Cousin DIY now. Anyway, I had that and I used that. So if I see anything else, I will let you. I used crimp beads and some crimp covers on a couple things. So let me show you what I did. I'm going to turn you up. That is the necklace, and it's long. I had it on a long bust and I couldn't fit it in the view. So here's one of the toggle clasps. It's sort of a heart shape. I turned it upside down and used an oval jump ring to hook it through the necklace. These are the howlite hearts, and these are the silver coated hematite, the Beadbox Bargains beads. These are some little spacers out of the Jessie James beads, the little silver ones. And the key also was from the toggle. So I just hooked it on with a jump ring as well, and I just put a heart onto this part of the key and also down here off the part that you connect for the closure, and hung hearts down. And then up here, these are out of the Jessie James beads, as well as the bead caps are. And then these are the Hobby Lobby beads. The little spacers here are out of the Jessie James. The hearts I showed you from Jewelry Maker. The pearls from Oriental Trading. And let me just show you how it goes. It's pretty long. It's probably about 22 inches. It's not like super long. Here are the connectors. And I wanted the connectors to show more, but yeah, well, it just didn't work out that way, because I wanted to also show off all the pretty beads. Let me bring you back down. And that is the whole thing. And I did use the other toggle clasps out of that pack of 2 for the closure in the back here. And again, connected with oval jump rings. And the chain is about 2 inches, but it's doubled because it's a thinner chain. So I wanted it to be stronger. And that is the necklace that I made. And then here is the bracelet. It is a 7-inch bracelet, and it has, I think this was gifted to me. It's a magnet clasp, but it had the sparkles on like the heart did in the front. This is the one from Prima Bead or Cousin DIY. These are crimp covers over crimps. This is using the AccuFlex. These are Jesse James, Oriental Trading. Those glass beads from wherever I said, Blue Moon beads. Oriental Trading, Jesse James beads, and this was gifted to, oh, and this little clearish purple is Jesse James beads, and then of course the clasp. So that is the bracelet that I made. It's a little big on me because 7-inch is actually a little big on me, but it is a 7-inch bracelet. And then I'm gonna just put the necklace back up, and I'll turn you back up. You'll see this is really long. It hangs down on the bust. I have to like scoot it up. And here are the earrings. So this pair coordinates with the necklace the most. It's got the purple hearts with the Jesse James beads, little crystals. They're wire wrapped and hooked onto an eye pin holding the purple coated hematite, and with the pearls inside. These are all stainless steel ear wires, which will have clear plastic backings. This was the last pair I made, and I only made them because I had these two beads out of that one pack left, and I didn't want to save the package. So yeah, that's those. These hearts are out of the EE Beads check glass mix pack. There were 2 hearts in here, and that was those. So I was going to use them on the necklace, but I wanted to use those links instead. So, and I just didn't want to hide them in the back, so I was thinking of making a different necklace, and I just ran out of time, so they turned into earrings. And the Beadbox Bargains glass beads and Jesse James beads. And then the last pair just uses more, and these are different colors. They're like purples, light pinks, and light purples on the earrings. So they're just put on a head pin and dangled from those with the Jesse James silver beads from that pack, Sugar Plum Fairy pack. So those are my makes for this month. I hope you enjoyed it. I went purple, like I said. There's a little bit of pink in there too. And also the pink hearts. So purples and pinks mostly. I pulled out I was going through like all my red beads and all my pink beads and all my purple beads. You'd be amazed at how many different shades of purple there are, and same with reds and pinks, and how much they don't coordinate with each other. It's hard to find the shades of purple that would go, and this is kind of a purpley pink color, so it was sort of hard to match the colors in it with things. It actually seemed to go better with pink than it did the other purples I had in my stash. So these beads out of Jesse James went really well, but I only had, I think, 4 of them, and I put 2 of them back in the little bin. And also on the bracelet, I was originally going to use these lavender or lilac roses, but the way the hole is drilled, let me show you. The hole goes through the bottom there, but it's rounded, so they wouldn't stay turned right. They like were kept flip-flopping, and I just wasn't feeling. I had to use a heavier wire or something and do something with them so they don't flip-flop around. But on beading wire, it just wasn't working for me, and I kind of got tired of messing with it, so I'll do that again another day. But yeah, I think it came out cute. Really a pretty bracelet. All right, everyone, have a wonderful week. And when you're seeing this, it should be Monday, the 18th of January, 2021. And I do hope you have a wonderful week and the rest of your January. And there's another look. at the necklace and bracelet and earrings all together. All right, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.